Hello, my friend, how are you doing? Today, we will talk about small talk. We'll review small talk. I will ask you questions and you answer the questions in front of your screen. Make sure you talk. You can listen to your voice speaking in English. 你真的要说，说是非常非常重要。So, pause the video and answer the questions. When do you make small talk? What do you talk about? Are you a talkative person? Do you like to talk a lot? Where do you meet new people? What can you talk about when you meet someone for the first time? What are topics you shouldn't talk about? Do you think you talk too much? Do you prefer to listen or to talk? Are you a good listener? Answer these questions. Today we will also talk about conversation sounds. Sounds 语次词非常难说 sounds 语次词 Comment your video if I'm not saying it right. 如果我的中文不好 comment the video. Tell me 你的中文不好 Your Chinese is terrible. Conversation sounds are very important to show the person you are listening. 这个语次词是非常重要。你要跟别的人，你要看，他们要看，他们说的时候，你听好了。所以他们问你们，他们告诉你们一个问题，他们说他们做什么，你要听好了，你要看他们和说oh yes, wow, that's very important. 这是非常重要。如果你不说，你不做这个语次词，别的人不舒服，不好。For example, so yesterday I went to the shopping mall with my sister and I bought my friend a present. 这个不好。If you use your sounds, oh, yesterday I went to the shopping mall with my sister. Oh, really? What did you buy? Oh, I bought many things. Did you have a good time? Make sure you ask questions. You listen. You make sounds. Go on our website and answer the exercises for this class. And if you have questions, send me a message. We're here to help you. Thank you very much. I'm Sofia and I see you next class. Today, you speak now about hobbies. Hobbies, I have.